Hey guys, it's a me. Well, today we're going to unbox. That was loud, but today we're gonna unbox this that I got from GameStop today. Anyways, just look at this. This was the only one that actually had a price tag on it. The weird thing was kind of scratched up. It's kind of weird. It's like that movie about it. Yeah, so comes with 2 tables, 3 chairs, and Golden Freddy, as you can see right there. Kind of creepy eyes. Alright. Then these are all the other ones, and I actually do have these 2 right here, Foxy and Bonnie. I'll bring them out in just a sec. Yeah. Let's open this up. Oh. Don't see anything that should be the problem if I sense. Oh. Yeah. Getting that off. There we go. Wow. This is big. Wow. Wow. Oh, this is it. It's pretty big. Wow. Hold up. Before I get that though, I'm gonna go get the other ones. Other snaps that I had. Alright. I got him here. This was Foxy. Let's see, he has can have a different emotion for his face. So angry, which looks kind of weird on him. Put those aside, and then we got Bonnie. Same. Alright, put those right there. Let's see this dude. Wow. Oh. Don't mind the music in the background. Ooh. Got his head. Wow. Oh, his hat's kind of slided. It's kind of a good, interesting cartoon effect. We got his face. His microphone. Ooh. It's pretty good. Yeah. There we got his. Ooh. And then finally we got the face. And the chairs. And the tables. Got him. Whoops. sec. I'm almost out. Just give me a sec.
No, stop!
So,
what are you doing? What are you doing?
that's it
What
for
are you doing? What are you doing?
This video,
What
guys.
are you doing with your life?
It's cool, right?
Me? What am I doing with my life? I could be doing anything, but no!
I feel within
Oh my
me
God!
a peace
No!
above all earthly dignities, a still and quiet confidence in church.